हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम अनबॉक्स करने वाले हैं LG का मॉनिटर LG MK600M 22 इंच मॉनिटर, जो कि बहुत ही पॉपुलर है बजट सेगमेंट में। एंड क्या ये बेस्ट होगा 2021 में या नहीं, जानने के लिए लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो। So this is how it came packed with the original LG cardboard box. No any extra layer of protection has been provided. This is typical Amazon packaging and I always complain about it. And you can see the price of the monitor, that is 13,000 rupees, but during a sale it went down like 6,500 to 7,500 rupees, and we'll talk that about later on. And also you can see other information printed like the model name MK600M and the import date, which is of 09/2020. And this should be the bill. It's directly attached to the box. Come on Amazon, these things are to be included inside the package. They could have at least included another layer of cardboard box. This seems very unprofessional. Well, here's the price of 7,499, but I did pay a bit less as I have applied a card discount while purchasing. Now let's cut the box and check what all do we get and check whether there is any damage. So here we have a bunch of things. First, we got a cap for the stand, and a HDMI cable, some screw, the driver CD, some documentation, which includes warranty card and instruction. Further, we got the base stand, which seems to be made of metal and some plastic. And this is the power adapter for the monitor. And the last one is also the stand. It's the mid stand which connects the base and the monitor. This part is also a mix of plastic and metal, but the quality seems fine. And the final content, the display itself. And this is how it looks like. It has got minimal bezel on three sides, top, left and right. On the bottom we have some chin, but overall it looks good. Coming to the back of the monitor, you can see the ports. First one being VGA port, two HDMI ports, an audio port and the power input port. Now I will try connecting the stand to the monitor, for which we do need the screw provided. And all the accessories are nicely packed by LG. Thumbs up for that. For the moment, I will just screw in with my hand, but be sure to use a screwdriver while assembling for your own monitor. And this is how it will look after installing the stand. The design of the stand really looks good and modern. Now let's talk about the main feature of the monitor, the display. It is a full HD IPS panel display having a 5 ms of response time. The refresh rate is still 75 Hz, which is less in compared with modern monitor, but it's still better than a 60 Hz. This monitor does support AMD FreeSync and also some gaming features like black stabilizer, dynamic action sync and crosshair. The picture mode can be tuned to text mode, photo mode, cinema mode, game mode and a custom one, so as to tune as per your liking. That's all are the technical specs, and coming to the practical uses and experience. I have been using this monitor since last year November, and as of now I have not experienced any issue. The picture quality is decent, I would say. The colors are mostly satisfying, the contrast is good, however pixel can be noticed from close distance. That's the monitor or the OS, or I need to tweak the setting, I don't know, but out of the box I have felt that. And the navigation button on the bottom is very easy to use. It is a joystick type, so it is easy to navigate and use. So that's all I've experienced so far. And to conclude, I would say yes, this is a very decent budget monitor you can use for consuming media content, browse the internet and also some gaming. Not for serious competitive gaming though. It's just got 75 Hz display, but overall it is a value product. But for 2021, and as of making this video, the price has gone up. It is like 2 to 3k more from when I have purchased, and for 9 to 10k it is not worth, I would say. You can wait for some sale and check for other monitors, like for in the recent sale the Acer Nitro VG240Y, a 23-inch monitor sporting a 165Hz panel, 1 ms response time, went for sale around 10,000 rupees. So I would say before getting the LG MK600M, check for some sale or wait till the price go down. Well, that is it for today guys. If you have liked the video, give it a thumb and subscribe. Thank you, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.
Is it true?